Hello guys, this is SRINIVAS, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily Challenge of 13 June 2021. Here this is the program. We have to convert this C code to Python code. First of all, we don't have to import anything for this basic operation, so we can neglect this import path. Import path because they have included the standard library and the studio, which will contain the input and the output and the standard library function. We are not going to use any of this, right? So we can remove this. And in Python we don't need to create a function for the program to run, so we can directly run it. We can reduce these two lines. Here this is the input path. In Python, the code for getting input is, I will stick with the same variable n comma x. We don't have to declare a variable, so we can also skip this part. We can directly assign the value n and x respectively, which is separated by spaces. N comma x equal to map of in comma input dot split off. So this will take care of the input part. Like, we don't have to import this, but we need to consider this one. Here they have created a for loop which contains the character 1 or ctr1 till smaller than or equal to x, and it will increment by 1. So for this we need for ctr in range of 1 comma x plus 1, or else we can just remove this one and this one, so we can make it as yes. Python, it will by default it will start from 0 and it will increment by 1, so we don't have to specify that 1 and plus function. So we have successfully completed this line. This is a syntax, so we don't have to return anything. Here this is the this is the operation they have created. First, this line will print the value inside n. So if the n value is something but 1, it will print 1, and the %d will return the number of characters. So if the n value is 1, the number of character inside this is 1. If the n value is 10, it will return 2, and this 2 will be added to n, then the n will become 12. Finally they have printed some additional extra space. We can do that in a single line, right? So assume this is inside a induction. This operation print n comma end equal to space, and then update the n value n plus equal to len of string value of n. This is nothing but this is similar to the code n equal to n plus len of str of n, which is nothing but it will typecast the value 10 as an integer because we can't able to find the count of character if the given value is integer. So first we will typecast the value as string, and then we are finding the length using this length method. And that's it, guys. So if we run this program, we will get like I have declared the value n as 1 and the x value as 10, sorry 14 this time. We got 1 2 3 up to this, everything is fine, right? So this 10 will be updated as 12 because the length of this 10 is 2, right? 10 plus 2 will be 12, 12 plus 2 will be 14, 14 plus 6 will be 16, 16 plus 18 will be 16 plus 2 will be 18. Likewise, if we do that in a program n comma x equal to map of, okay, likewise if we do the same operation n comma x equal to map of in comma input, that split for in or ctr in range of 1 comma x plus 1 or else just x, print n with the end space, not a new line, and the n value will be updated as n plus equal to len of str of n. That's it. So if I pass the same input 1 and 14, we will get the same. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for your review. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Bye, guys.